Great atmosphere here at the National Ploughing Championship in Fianna in Carlow. Got down this afternoon. Wonderful crowds, records I would say, fantastic sunshine in what is the greatest showcase of Irish agriculture, industry and farming in this country and perhaps across Europe itself. Full credit to Hannah May and her team for organising such a first-class event, and I've enjoyed it, meeting all of the people from all over Ireland and further afield as we walk through the different exhibitions and the different stands and speak to people about their line of work and their area of activity, from the Road Safety Authority to Bus Éireann to the agricultural sector, and more for the rest of the week, and I'm looking forward to that as well. So congratulations to all concerned in what perhaps has been the sunniest and most popular ploughing championship ever.